In this video, let's talk about how to delete your Gemini AI account. If you don't want any of your data or your Gemini account in general, let me show the steps that you need to follow in order to delete it. Now, the one thing that you need to know is that whenever you open up the platform of Gemini, you do not have an option of logging in. So this is not a separate account of Gemini. It is completely linked with your Google account. So if you're trying to delete your Gemini account, you need to delete your Google account entirely because Gemini is not a separate account and is completely linked with Google. If you want to delete your Gemini account, you need to delete the Google account as well. So to do that, head over to manage your Google account, head over to data and privacy. If you scroll down, under more options, you'll have the option called delete your Google account. As I said, you need to delete your entire Google account and you do not have the option of deleting the Gemini account separately. So click on delete your Google account, add in your password and your Google account will be entirely deleted. That's all for this video. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.